Are you looking for the best and the cheapest way to transfer money internationally? Did you know that transfers through bank or broker is the most expensive way? They have hidden fees, high commissions, and rarely use mid-market exchange rates. But don't you worry. The following are the best and the safest money transfer companies. 1. Transferwise, promising the best exchange rates and the best customer experience. 2. Western Union, globally available offices and cash pickup transfers within minutes. 3. PayPal, good for smaller transactions, and a PayPal address is all you need to transfer. The take-home advice is that TransferWise is the best among all, though compare rates of other companies if TransferWise is not working for you as mentioned in the video details. Promo or discount codes can be found in the description, if applicable. Please share if you care.